Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. This is Teddy Pro Films, and if this is your first time to this channel, please subscribe. Tap the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you get our post anytime we make them. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your language in Remitano. When you open your Remitano app and it's showing like this, you're seeing this whole language. I think this is a Vietnam language. So you're seeing it writing in showing the whole thing in VND and all of that. What you have to do is, most people, what they do is they click here and they try to change this English. They try to change this in English. No, that's not the problem. You get, that's not really the problem. It's never going to change because you've not changed the language from the root. You get it? So you need to come to this Vietnam, change it from the Vietnam flag. Let me go back again. Bring up the Remitano app. Okay, normally it's by default, most times it's always on the Vietnam language. So what you do is click the option button above like this, then scroll down to the red Vietnam flag here, then change it to scroll down to where you will see Nigeria. Click on the Nigeria and everything will change back to English. Everything changes back to English, as you can see. So that's how to actually change your language in Remitano. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please turn on post notifications so you get our post anytime we make them.